Hi everyone, thank you for following along my cooking journey so far. If you haven't yet, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like and comment on this video. Today I am making a mushroom salad with lemon, parsley, onion, and garlic. It's super simple to make and of course it's healthy, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Oh yeah, and of course it's infused. First, you want a pound of white mushrooms. We're gonna rinse them, cut them super thin, and I hope my cutting skills of mushrooms is a lot better than my onion chopping skills, so we'll see. So you just wanna make them super thin. I'm also cutting off this little stem part a little bit, just to make it a tiny bit smaller.
Can I grab one of these?
Go ahead.
Itching. What are you cooking?
I am making a mushroom salad, a cold mushroom salad. Interesting.
Cold mushroom salad? How does it taste?
What do you think? That's good, eh?
That's good.
I like that it's bubbly instead of flat, in my opinion.
My favorite one's the lemon lime one.
Is it bubbly or flat?
Yeah, it's soda.
Oh, nice.
The vodka waters are good if you're trying to crush like 10, but
Yeah, I kind of like the bubbliness. Cheers.
yeah, it's actually gas.
Does gas mean good?
Yeah, gas. Does gas start your car?
True.
There you go.
Okay, once you're done cutting all the mushrooms, we're gonna put it in a bowl and then I'm gonna make the vinaigrette. Okay, so now for the vinaigrette, I am gonna cut an onion, super small. I feel like those cutting skills weren't too bad. Okay, so I'm gonna add that to a bowl. And now for the real challenge, cutting a garlic. So let's see, I think I have a better knife for cutting a garlic. Actually, I heard that you can do that to it to get rid of the shell. I don't think that worked. Okay, so then we're gonna chop a full garlic. I don't know what I'm doing. Why is garlic so complicated? Maybe because it's so small. Okay, so once you chop your garlic, add it to your vinaigrette bowl. Okay, and then we're gonna chop some parsley. Okay, and then we're gonna squeeze half a lemon. Honestly, I might squeeze the full lemon. And now we're gonna add some Dijon mustard. Okay, note to self, don't put it on both ends beforehand because my bowl's not that big. Okay, so we need 1.5 tablespoons. And I kind of screwed myself here, so I don't know. Maybe get a bowl big enough where both ends fit in the bowl, but I mean, I might just take an L on this one. I'm gonna try. Okay, not terrible. Anyway, so I need 4 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. And then a little bit of cannabis oil, depending on what you're feeling that day. You can add as much or as little as you'd like. Okay, then we're gonna slowly add some oil. So this is what the sauce looks like so far. Okay, and then I'm going to Add it to the mushrooms and then add a little bit of salt and pepper. And then you wanna let it marinate for about 10-15 minutes in the fridge and kind of let the mushrooms absorb the dressing. That didn't come out as nicely as I thought it was going to. Then some pepper. And some Himalayan salt. All right, I'll see you guys in 10 minutes. So once you let it sit for about 10 minutes, you can enjoy it. It smells delicious. I'm so excited. This is so good. I feel like this is the perfect recipe to make for like a lunch when you're on the go, going to work. Trying to actually get it in your mouth, but I mean, maybe not something you want to eat on like a first date, but it's delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe and thank you for following along. Cheers.